been realizing something lately. I don't always need a full reset. Sometimes I just need one area of my space to feel lighter. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do not like this desk anymore. If you've seen it, it's all glass. And honestly, it's kind of stressing me out. I'm thinking if anything happens, any wrong move, it all could come crashing down on me. But I'm not ready to change it quite yet, especially like how I don't even know what I want to change it to. So I'm going to work with it for now. I had my husband remove the upper section that had the monitor because I'm not feeling that anymore. I have simplified it and everything is on one level. Let's just say this desk and I, we have a complicated relationship, but I'm not quite done with it yet. I'm going to just work with what I have. A few changes. I switched out my keyboard. I have a few things here in my setup, all in my green aesthetic to kind of give me a new vibe. And that's what I'm doing. A tiny refresh, not an extreme overhaul of my workspace. something in your space is bothering you. Maybe you don't need to replace it yet. Maybe you just need to shift it around, lower it, clear it, put it a little higher, put it to the right, to the left. Light a candle next to it. Whatever you need to do to make that space feel better. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Just remember that. Thank you for joining me on today's video and staying with me while I refreshed and cleaned up my workstation a little bit. If you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, consider becoming a part of my cozy crew. Like, comment, share this video. Stay positive, stay intentional, and always remember, my cozy crew, love yourselves. Peace out.